founder, leader, a chancellor. The journey of a visionary who built a business empire now shapes the future of education.
Andarki Namaskaram. I, Gundavaram Venkata Bhaskar Rao, come from a humble agriculture family. Years ago, I witnessed the struggles of my father and fellow farmers. Their crop yields were low and their livelihoods uncertain. As a BSc Agriculture graduate, I identified the root cause. This is because of poor seed quality. To make a difference, I started Kaveri Seed Company with just one employee and 3 acres of land. Today, Kaveri Seeds has grown to a team of 3,000 employees producing high-quality seed across 1 lakh acres throughout India. I am proud to share that we have brought prosperity to lakhs of farmers and emerged as one of the top 2 seed companies in this country. But success is not just about business, it's about giving back. With a heart full of gratitude, I adopted a government school in my native village, Garlamar, Singapore. It had just 150 students. Today, the school has 1,000 plus students from nearby villages competing confidently with the best private institutions in the state. This transformation sparked in me a bigger dream to reshape education in India. And so, I founded Kaveri University, spread over 100 plus acres, offering 40 plus future-focused courses with world-class infrastructure, all at an affordable fee structure. My humble request to parents across the nation: invest in your child's education. Explore what Kaveri University has to offer. Let's come together and build a brighter, stronger, and more educated India. Jai Hind, Namaste.